All right, friends. Hi, how are you all? Friends, today I will teach you how to create objects in Java. Okay, in basically what you call oops concept. Okay, so good morning, friends. It is 11:20 in Chennai, so I am alive. Okay, so yeah, firstly, friends, I have told I will show you the execution of what are the how to create classes inside the Java program and all. Okay, what is the meaning of classes? Classes means blueprint. Okay, let me write here. Okay, classes means what you call blueprint, okay, of the thing that we want to make simple, right? Of the thing that we want to make. Okay, good. Now then, objects are the actual implementation of the class, things that we are, that we just thought. Okay, actual implementation. Okay, implementation. Excellent. Okay, let's say, friends, now in front of you I will create some classes, right? Let's say I'm creating class of let's say mobile phones. Okay, let's say I'm creating a class of mobile phones. Okay, this is the blueprint class. Okay, what is the meaning of blueprint class? Blueprint class means the class is the class that I want to define. Okay, let's say I want to open my own mobile phone company. Okay, Lethargic Mathematician Private Limited, think like this. Okay, Lethargic Mathematician Private Limited, my own, what you call, mobile phones company. Okay, so firstly, simply I will not immediately go and start making. Okay, firstly I will define. Okay, I will think how I will decide how much budget I have, so that what I can make the mobile phones and all. Okay, so firstly, first things first is I will decide. Okay, friends, so here this is known as blueprint class. Okay, blueprint class. Okay, this is known as blueprint class. Okay, fine, let us now define. Okay, so let's say string name of my mobile phone. Okay, name of the mobile phone that I want to give. Okay, let's say think like this. Okay, and then age, no, not age will not come here. Let's say int, memory capacity, how much, what you call, my phone can hold a memory, right? Stuff like that. He can, I am defining. Okay, like this, like thing like this. Okay, friends, then let's say I am defining string, age, uh, lifespan, right? Like let's say lifespan. Okay, so lifespan means it should be int, right? Lifespan of my, what you call, mobile phone. Let's say I'm defining like this. Okay, friends, mobile phone. Okay, that I'm just making. Okay, now friends, here let us now make one method. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, let us now make one method, which means that what is method? Method is nothing, it is basically a block of code that will perform a certain kind of activity, right? Certain time kind of task he will perform. Okay, so why these birds are angry, I also don't know. Okay, so the what is method? Method is nothing, he will basically perform a certain kind of task for me. Okay, and whenever a method is nothing, it is basically a function, but method is basically, we are calling method when we are declaring him inside the you know blueprint class. Then in that case, if I say method, then it is more correct. Function also correct, nobody will question you that you are saying wrong. But if you are saying method, then it is a more correct way. Okay, friends, so yeah, let's say I am defining one method. Okay, let us define. Okay, let me give some here. Let us define one method regarding what my mobile phone, this mobile phone of string name, int memory capacity, int lifespan of mobile phones will perform. Okay, regarding what my mobile phone will perform. Okay, friends, let us define, right, what he will perform. He will perform like, okay, let it be public. Okay, I'm coming. Public is basically like the, what, friends, they are public static word main. I'm telling public static word main is like access modifiers in Java. Okay, who is getting access to what? Okay, so like this also you can say. Okay, so public static word main means who is getting access to what, and so what is known as the concept of, access modifiers. Okay, so let it be public, and yeah, let it be static. No, we don't need static. Let it have a, return type of void, and the name of my method is, my phone will, yeah, my phone functionality. Okay, let it be. Okay, this is the functionality of my particular phone. Okay, so yeah, this is what I want to tell to you. Okay, so yeah, just a second. Okay, friends, so public void my phone functionality. Okay, semicolon, this, he is not returning anything, no. So first, there definitely, close parenthesis will follow here. Okay, so yeah, let us now define our method. Okay, define our method exactly. Okay, let it be what you call sout. Okay, what is the meaning of sout in IntelliJ IDEA? Sout means public static sorry, system dot out dot println. Okay, so what he will perform is, friends, what he will perform is, he will basically, he will basically, what he will do is, he will basically, you know yeah, what perform functionality he will perform. You can click pictures from my mobile, right? You can click pictures from my mobile phone, yeah, from me, right? Because this is function who is calling me, so this, like this it will follow. Okay, then another functionality that he will perform is, you can call from me. Okay, you can perform a call for me, right? Perform a call from me. Okay, next functionality, what he will do next, what he will do is, let's say now he is performing, what you call, you can perform a call from me. Let's say you can make a, you can, watch movies, right? Then you can watch, youtube videos. Basically, you can binge watch things in internet. Okay, so you can watch movies, youtube videos from my, you know from me. Okay, so this is what this block of code, this method will do to me. Okay, so friends, I have made the, blueprint class. Okay, this is class, okay, defined by me. Okay, who is me? I am the user. I want a class something like this, mobile phones class, I want something like this. Okay, if you observe carefully, friends, here, just see, I'm in IDE, right? IntelliJ IDEA. Something is blinking here, right? No usage, no usage, no usage, no usage, no usage. Okay, what is the meaning for that? Okay, the meaning for that is, friends, I have not made the object of mobile phone first. Okay, and I have not called them, right, by putting dot in between. Okay, I will show you what I'm telling. Okay, that's why here, no usage, no usage, no usage is coming. Okay, and for common, for, and you know what, for common, for all these properties, commonly he's showing no usage here, right? So now, friends, I will make the blueprint, or, sorry, I will now make the object for this, mobile phone class, and one by one I will call them. Okay, first things first, what is object? Okay, first thing first is, object will always come in public class. Okay, so just see here, friends, now I cannot run my Java program. Okay, why I cannot run my Java program? Because, thing is, here, run button is not visible. Okay, why it is not visible? Because this whole Java code is not equipped with, what you call, main function. Okay, and one more thing, what is main function in Java? I think this much everyone knows, right? Main function means, you know public static void means string arguments, and main function will always, the main function will always come in public class. Okay, they will never come in, what you call, this thing, mm, you know this thing, what you call, in blueprint class. Okay, in blueprint class you cannot define the main functionality. Okay, firstly you should decide what you want to make, and afterwards you are supposed to firstly make one public class of the name that you have just made, that you have just created in the IntelliJ IDEA, then that name only you are supposed to give. Then after that, you just just give the. Now first things first is write the main function. Okay, just see here friends, the moment I have given the main function, automatically he detected, IntelliJ IDEA detected that now main function came in the Java code, right? Java program. Automatically now I can run it. Okay, and before this I was not equipped with this green button and debugger option. Okay, why? Because I have not provided the main function here. Okay, in my all videos I have told you friends, main function is like a engine of a Java program. Okay, tell me, friends, just a second. Let us go out of context for some couple of minutes. Your Vande Bharat Express, your Rajdhani Express, your what have you, right? Your Shatabdi Express, can they run without engine? No, right? It is completely waste. Okay, it is like just imagine like this, right? You are thinking that I will study very hardly in my college days, right? This is your blueprint, right? You are thinking no that I will study. Okay, and main class is like the execution of the moment you have started studying. The moment you have started studying is like first step. The moment you have started studying is like giving main function to the Java program. Okay, so without main function you cannot run your Java program. Okay, this is what I want to tell to you. Okay, this is what I want to tell to you. Okay, now friends, I will now I will and you will, right? Why should I limit myself to me only? Now we are in learning in YouTube. We are in whole family. Okay, now I will what you call make object for mobile phone class. Okay, and one by one I will call the name. I will firstly give the name and then I will print the name, then I will call the memory capacity. I will declare the memory capacity of what have you, I will declare the lifespan of the mobile phone. Then I will call this method. Okay, how I will call them, how I will call, just observe me very carefully friends. Okay, now I will make object for my blueprint class. Okay, where inside the main class. Okay, now I will make the object for my blueprint class inside what you call my main class. Excellent. Now friends, what happens here is mobile phone. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, mobile phones, let's say, let us give one short name m1 equal to, this is the equals to operator in Java, I think you people know, right? So always whenever we are creating the object, it will always start from new keyword. Okay, and after new keyword what will happen? Your what you call name of the your name of the what you call your name of the particular method that you have just, the name of the particular class that you have just made here, right? Just see here friends, the moment I have given the mobile phone's name, the moment I have, as soon as I have given the mobile phone's name here, automatically he's blinking and he's telling me that now two usage came, right? Already this blueprint class in is under execution, right? The developer just called this particular class that he want to make. Okay friends, this whole thing that I have just written here is known as constructor. Okay, what is this called? This is called constructor. Okay, constructor means they are the methods of Java. Okay, they are also the methods of Java. Okay, why I'm saying they are the methods of Java, just see here. This is also one method, right? My phone functionality, right? And round bracket follows here, also a round bracket follows, right? And we are having nothing here, right? This is also method and this is also method, but this is special type of method. Okay, special type of method, because here he's, I'm not defining anything inside him, right? And he's not returning me anything, right? He's returning me void, but he's not returning me anything. Okay, so this is known as friends constructor. Okay, in Java. In constructor in Java. Excellent. Now friends, just see here, one by one I will call them. Okay, who I will call? I will call the name, and I will call the, later I will call the memory capacity, and later I will call this lifespan of my mobile phone, then I will call this one by one I am calling. Okay, and how will I call them? I will call them by putting dot in between. Okay, the moment I have given dot, automatically see just how incredible this IDE is, friends. Okay, automatically he detected that I want to make what you want to select from here, right? From drop down itself you can select, right? That is why, friends, I'm again and again telling, okay, don't waste your time in edit plus and all. Okay, don't waste your time in edit plus and all. Okay, it is very easy to use IDEs, right? It is very easy to use IDEs. Only thing, you should be willing to learn. Okay, so yeah, just select the name from here and provide name. Okay, what name you want to give to my, what name, let's say, I want to give to my mobile phones. Okay, I'm not having 10 rupees with me, but I know my thinking is very much big, right? One day I will open my own mobile phone company. So yeah, thing is, friends, m1 dot name, let it be, let's say, uh apple, right? Let it be apple. Okay, because in front of me apple fruit is visible, that's why I cannot show you, right? In the mobile I'm just recording. So in the mobile I just shown apple to them. So yeah, m1 dot name is apple, right? I have called this blueprint method, and I have called them by putting dot in between the name. Then I have given the name also, friends. Okay, I have allotted the name. This is just a D statement. Okay, what is the meaning of D statement in Java? Just a declaration statement. Okay, just a declaration statement. This is okay, and this is what you call declaration and in what you call implementation statement. Okay, declaration and implemented and executed statement also, right? I have just said that in my computer memory, when I was just creating group, what you call mobile phones class, I'm just saying to them that I want to make a memory of what mobile phones, string name class and all. Okay, but I have not declared here that what name I have want to give. Okay, so but here I have declared that I want to give name as apple. Okay, the moment I have given the apple name here, friends, just see here. Okay, now it is blinking here. This is known as blinking. Okay, he is blinking. IntelliJ IDEA is blinking and saying now string name is under use. Okay, now string name is under use, one usage, right? Why one usage? How one usage? From here. Okay, from here. Okay, I hope you're getting with me, right? What I'm trying to say to you, friends. Okay, now let us print this. Okay, because simply he will not print. Firstly, I'm supposed to give print line, then only he will print for me. Okay, m1 dot name. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Now friends, let us create m1 dot name I have created. Okay, what next variable I have clear, what is the next variable I have created? I have created the next variable as memory capacity. Okay, how much memory capacity my mobile phone can hold. Okay, dot memory capacity. Okay, memory capacity, from drop down itself I'm selecting, friends. Okay, no need to write again and again. Okay, that's why I'm telling, use IntelliJ IDEA, use it at VS Code and all. Okay, VS Code also is not that much advanced as far as this IntelliJ IDEA is advanced, right? And VS Code, I don't like VS Code, I don't know why. Web development, VS Code is amazing, but as far as this is concerned, what you call Java is concerned, I don't want to like to code in VS Code, right? I love IntelliJ IDEA only. Okay, so yeah, m1 dot memory capacity, simply I'm selecting from drop down. Okay, so m1 dot memory capacity dot got selected. One red line is coming here. Okay, why one red line is coming? He is telling me to declare. Okay, okay, he's telling me to declare. Okay, so so yeah, how much memory capacity I want to give? I want to give memory capacity as, let it be 12 GB. Okay, let it be 12. Okay, okay, thing is here only 12 will come. No semicolon will come, what you call, no strings like which it will come, because here it is an int type memory container, right? So here I am supposed to give only mathematical numbers only, right? I cannot give. Okay, so just see here also, friends, the moment I have allocated 12 here, here he's telling me that, and memory capacity one usage, right? One usage means now this int memory capacity is getting used. Getting? So yeah, now let me print this also, right? Let me print this also, and let it be what I want to print, m1 dot memory capacity, right? Right, M1 dot memory capacity. I was thinking my cup is gone, but still the cup is back. Okay, so yeah, what next thing I have created? The next what you call variable that I have created in my blueprint class is int lifespan of my mobile phone. Okay, what is the lifespan of a mobile phone? Well, the lifespan of a mobile phone is lifespan. Let it be, if you are using perfectly, if you're not, what you call, uh, it can be 12 years. Okay, let's say 12 years. Okay, let it be 12 only, right? So okay, sorry friends for the coughing sound and all, right? Because you are thinking how this useless teacher is, right? Automatically, he just coughs only, right? Okay, so yeah, so M1 dot lives of the memory phone. I have just selecting. Okay, thing is, friends, why I have not given years here? Okay, why I have not written years here is because I can write 12 years also here, but the years will be wrong. Okay, why years will be wrong is because here it is just a int container. Okay, just put the number only, right? Just put the allocate the number only, don't put years. Okay, if years you want, replace int from string, right? And two things together you cannot do, right? So that is why just 12 only I have given. Okay, and I'm not supposed to mix two things together, right? That's why. So all right friends, so just see here system.out.println, what you call lifespan of the mobile phone is printed. Okay, now I think I have called all the things that I have just made in my blueprint. Okay, now let us call this method. Okay, let us call this method, that is nothing but my phone functionality. Okay, how I will call the method? Okay, calling method is also calling the blueprint, what you call the blueprint. Sorry friends, right? What to do? Okay, so calling the blueprint method, actually I'm shouting no on my top of the voice, right? That's why the cough is coming from the inside. Okay, so calling the blueprint method by just giving dot only, right? The way I have given dot here, the way I have given dot here, the way I have given dot here, simply in order to call the particular method I will give dot only. Okay, first thing is short form of the blueprint class that that I have just given while making the constructor. Then simply come in the drop down and select my phone functionality. Simple, right? And no need to print this particular thing. Okay, why? Because this is method calling, right? Method, once you're calling him, automatically he will come. Okay, no need to print and show, right? Because they are just the variable, right? That's why I have given print here, print here, print here, right? But this is the method, so I am not supposed to give print line here. Okay, so friends, I have taught you how to create the mobile phone class. In front of you only I have told you, right? In front of you only I have typed and shown you. Now, what you call? Let me, you know, friends, I'm telling this, but don't drink, ice. What you call this thing? What you call? Sugarcane juice, right? Ask him to don't put ice. Otherwise, your condition will be like me. Okay, don't drink, ice. What you call? Juices and all, right? Drink juices, no problem, right? My condition today of coughing is only because of ice, having ice sugarcane juice. Okay, it is better to live thirsty rather than to have that ice what you call juice. Okay, so friends, what I'm telling you is I have created the blueprint class and I have created the main public class and I have created the constructor, I have made the object and I have called them. Okay, let me now execute and show you how the execution looks. Okay, okay, so yeah, let us check. Okay, yeah. All right, friends. So you can see here. Okay, let me put the result here in the right terminal. Okay, so move to vertical, right bottom, right top. Let it be right top.